most of us get these pack of Kellogg's Choco Mix kind of flavors in this kind of mesh thing for our kids. Usually I feel very guilty once these packs are over. I have to get rid of the mesh. I don't know what I can do, but now I have found a thing that I can do. Just cut the bottom of the mesh which is stuck in together like this, and I'll show you by passing my hand through it that it's open on both the sides now. So once you put in your hand from one side, you can get it out from the other. So basically you have to just take this mesh now and just keep folding it in this way, then twist it one over the other, and then the extra portion that you see, you have to just wind it into the round thing that you have. Also, if it does not get into a shape, it's alright, you can just squeeze it like one ball and make use of it. Now I'll tell you what you can use this for. This acts as a very good scrubber when you're washing surfaces, cleaning surfaces, especially with soap and all. It scrubs off the dirt very easily without a lot of effort. Interesting and useful hack, right? Then please do share it with others, and for more interesting hacks, please do not forget to subscribe to Tip Lab. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.